think it's as competitive as last year's bike. So you do wonder whether Johan Zarco might just turn around to Yamaha and say, hey guys, the motorcycle I've got, perfectly happy with. It's going to be intriguing. Or do they say, Johan Zarco has been so good this year, we're going to give him a 2018 M1 and he can run the same package as Rossi and Vinales. I'm sure this man, Valentino Rossi and Maverick Vinales, will not be particularly happy about that, because they know the threat on identical machinery that Johan Zarco could pose next year.
Yeah, absolutely right. And I think everyone is intrigued to see how Zarco does get on that 2017. He could make Valentino and Maverick look rather red-faced, shall we say, if he was to go out on that and actually say, do you know what, I really like this. Valentino